Hi everybody, it is Sunday and Wyatt and I are kicking off another What I Wore video. So I'm really hoping you guys enjoy this series as it takes an entire week to put this video together. So it is not a bad day today. The sun's actually trying to come out. It's a little bit cloudy, but it's a high of I think 47, which is pretty nice for today considering what it's been like the last few days. So not too bad. Oh, what? Yeah, not too bad. So I have a day where I plan to spend most of my day at home. I have to run a quick errand to the grocery store. But aside from that, I'm not sure anyone's really going to see me aside from all of you for the next minute or so. So I have on a pair of black leggings from The Loft, a blue gray cozy pullover, and a pair of boots that I got them at Nordstrom. They're Vince Camuto. Yeah, and I got them several years ago, but I see Vince brings them out every year. So, and then I have my leopard vest that I just got at The Loft in one of my recent hauls. And that's my outfit for Sunday. So let me share. So this is just a cozy little pullover that I got from The Loft, which is blue and gray, probably last year or the year before. I have a pair of basic cotton, they're probably cotton, leggings on, and these cute boots from Vince, which I have something on me here. I have no idea what that is. Some kind of fuzz that he brings out every year. Because I keep seeing them every time I go to the store, but I really like them. They're comfortable, and with the gold detailing, just a little bit of a standout boot. And if I leave the house, which I'm going to for a little while today, for a quick errand here, I'm going to put on my new leopard vest. So this is my outfit for Sunday. I hope everyone has an awesome Sunday, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye. Hi everybody, it is Monday. It is a dreary, wet, yucky Monday for the start of the work week. Zena's with me. She is starting to perk up. Her medicine is starting to kick in. She won't take a pill, but luckily 2 of the 4 medicines she has to take are in liquid form, so I've been able to get those down her throat. The pills she's snubbing. But she's on the mend. Good news. So Wyatt's here too. I want to say hi to everybody. Wyatt's here too for outfit of the day. So I am working today. I have a dentist appointment. I don't like dentist. So and it's like wet and yucky. So I have on a pair of jeans from The Loft. My shoes are from The Loft too. And a really cozy, it's like a sleeveless tunic top that's like this super soft material with a matching hoodie cardigan that's really long that I got from White House Black Market, and even has like the really long sleeves with the little thumb hole, just in case you want to be extra warm today. And I think that's my outfit for today. Other than running to the dentist, I'm not sure I'm going to be going anywhere else today. I'm going to do that at lunchtime. And let me share my outfit of the day. I'm so glad Zena's starting to cheer up. Maybe we can do her bark box soon, because I got an extra big bark box this time for the holidays. So I've been saving it till she feels better. So here's my outfit up for the day. I have these Loft jeans, have this little funky hem here. And my shoes are these little wedge heels with the little animal print on them in like a gray and tan. I've worn them before. I just recently found them, so I forgot about them. So now I've been wearing them. And you can see this top's like super long, but very soft. And this is my outfit for Monday. So I hope you all have a good start to your week, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Hi everybody, it is Tuesday, and Wyatt and I are bringing you outfit of the day, and Wyatt is groaning. Can you guys hear him? What are you saying? Are you talking? Now he's quiet. Okay, so today I have on a sweater that I got from one of my loft hauls. So it's this cute animal print. My moto jacket that I got from Target at a really awesome price. Jeans from Express, Born Booties. And I think this necklace came from the Limited a million years ago. And I think that's my outfit for the day. So here is my outfit, and we will let Wyatt go back to sleep. I think that's why he's groaning. I don't know. So here is my outfit. These jeans are very soft and comfy, and this like a burgundy color that I got in place of a pair of super expensive AG jeans that came in a trend send. So these were only 35 bucks on sale at Express. And I got the top at a 40% off sale for the loft. My moto jacket, which I think was $30 at Target. And I hope you guys can see my shoes. These are Born boots that I got last year, which I think they might still have this year. So it's my outfit for Tuesday. So hope everyone has a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi, everybody. I am here for outfit of the day for Wednesday. My sleepy sidekicks are here, and they are awake. Say hi, Zizi. She's doing better and better each day. She goes back to the doctor next week. So hopefully by then, all the swelling on her shoulder will be gone and she'll be about done with all of her medication, which she hates. But she's doing really well. Huh? Yes. And Wyatt's here too. Can you say hi to everybody? Yeah, you want to say hi? He's such a goofball, aren't you? Yes, so it is Wednesday. It's super windy out. It's kind of cold. I don't know, high 35 or something yucky like that. But luckily no snow, I don't think. Just wind today. So I have on my Wit and Wisdom leggings with the plaid print on them. A basic white t-shirt, but it's really cute. It's by Halogen, and it's reversible. So it's a V-neck on one side and a crew neck on the other, and you can wear it either way you want. So I have the V-neck on in the front today, and I have a pair of Sam Edelman boots on, my moto jacket that I just got in my latest wantable that I kept, and I know I shouldn't have because I probably have a jacket problem as well as a jean problem and a shoe problem, and I think you guys get that. And I think my scarf is from the Limited. So here is my jewelry. This is for Michael Kors I got several years ago, and I have the matching bracelet as well. And my earrings are, I believe, Leah Sophia. So here's my outfit for Wednesday. So I do like the length of this t-shirt. It's a nice length. And these pants have these cute little zippers here, which you can't really see with this t-shirt. My boots are cute. I like them. They have these buckle and a nice, probably what, 2-inch heel. So those are cute. They're very, very comfortable. Sam Edelman booties. And I'm really liking this moto jacket. It's lined, but it has some weight to it, so it's nice and warm. I don't really plan to spend a lot of time outside, but I am going to be leaving the house today, so I added the scarf just so I have some extra warmth. All right, so this is my outfit for Wednesday. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi, everybody. Wyatt and I are here for outfit of the day, although I don't know what he's doing. So funny. So it is Thursday, and it is Thanksgiving Day. And for today, I have on a pair of Ashley pants that I had gotten in a box, but I can't tell you which one of my sub boxes I got them in. I've had them for a while. and a top that I got in one of my loft hauls, a pair of Style & Company boots, which I normally do not buy that brand. I think this is the only pair that I own, but I bought them for the color because it's a nice pink color. So I'll let you know how these shoes work out today because it's the first time I have worn them. I do have a tank underneath this top because it is very sheer, and it's halogen. And my jacket that I'm going to put on is from Boston Proper, and that is my outfit for Thursday. And Wyatt is already ready for a nap, so let me share. So this top is nice and long. It is, as you can see, very sheer. So I do have a tank underneath it. These pants are very cute. They have a zipper on the sides, and I do have my tank tucked in for right now. We'll see as the day goes on. But these are just a simple, I guess, a legging, but I think they're rather dressy, and they do have this little bit of a, I hope you guys can see, like a coated shine to them a little bit. So this top is super long, so it's like a tunic style, and my shoes are this nice dusty rose color, so that's why I decided to try them out. Wyatt, what are you doing, buddy? This is my outfit for today, and this is my jacket. So I like it because it's also nice and long. But usually I have to go to my parents as well as my in-laws, and usually both houses are pretty warm, so I probably won't need it for inside. So this is my outfit for today. You will not see this until after Thanksgiving. So I hope everyone had a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving. And I am so thankful for each and every one of you. If it weren't for all of you, I wouldn't still be doing these videos because of your awesome, awesome comments, your wonderful support, all of my fantastic subscribers, and all of the awesome likes throughout the year. I am so very thankful for each and every one of you. Till tomorrow, everyone. Bye. Hey everybody, Wyatt and I are here for outfit of the day. It is Black Friday, and I am not going to go out and hit the stores and wait in line. My mall isn't really that great, so I have to go pretty far to get to great shopping. So I have decided to online shop today. Anyway, for today, my son does have a hockey game here this afternoon, so I had to be home for that anyway. But I decided to be super comfortable today. I have on a pair of super soft and distressed Joe jeans that I got in one of the Macy's VIP sales. So a lot of times I will go and check the premium denim to see what's on sale so I can get the extra 30% off. So I think I got these last year or even the year before. I have Lucky booties on. I have a tank top. It's just a tank that I got in one of my very first Wantables. And my Camo Lucky cardigan that was in my last Amazon Prime wardrobe box. So Wyatt has been up for a couple hours and is ready for his mid-morning nap, it looks like. So if I keep talking, he'll probably be asleep. What do you think? And Zena has chosen not to join us right now. So here is my outfit for Friday. Oh, and I think my necklace is from Express. So these jeans are like super soft, and I know they have quite a bit of distressing in them, and they're cuffed pretty good. So I just put on these Lucky gray boots, which I think I've worn before. And yeah, this very cozy cardigan for today, which should be warm for the hockey game. And I think I'm probably just going to put on my pink loft coat that I think I shared with you guys in a what I wore video before. I think that'll just be the easiest. So this is my outfit for Friday. So I hope you all have an awesome, awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi, everybody. It is Saturday and my final day of my outfit of the day for this video. So Wyatt and I are here, and it is a cold, rainy, yucky, yucky day. Wyatt doesn't mind though. He doesn't care about rain or snow. He likes it all, huh? And he has now started to take all of his toys outside and not bring them back inside. So our front yard is scattered with colorful toys right now. Tell them how you do that. Yes, tell them. So my friend and I are supposed to go to the outlet shopping today. So we picked a great day for it. It is supposed to keep raining throughout most of the day. Yucky. So I have on a pair of Express jeans that I did in one of my mall hauls, I think in October. So they're extra thick and soft on the inside, so they're supposed to be warm. So I will test them out today and we shall see. I have a black long sleeve tee on under my Sherpa pullover that I got in my last trend send, and I kept it. A pair of UGG Sherpa boots, so I'm keeping this Sherpa theme going on, thinking it's going to keep me warm today. And I think I'm going to wear my pink loft jacket I got a couple years ago to add some color to my outfit today. So here's my outfit for Saturday. So not overly exciting, but hopefully warm for today. I do love these UGG boots. I stocked them online. I think I got them a couple years ago, but I stocked them for a while until I got them on sale. They do have zippers on the side, even though they lace up the front, which I love. And they also have this little buckle here. So once you get them where you want them, you just have to zip them on and off. And I'm already warming the house with this little Sherpa pullover, so I'm hoping that it does its job today. It does have pockets as well. And this is my pink coat from the loft from a couple years ago. I was hoping, quiet. Stop it. I was hoping that I could just wear a vest today, but I'm thinking that might not be enough. So I'm going to go with a full-on coat today, I think. So this is my outfit for Saturday. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are, please give me a like so I know to keep on making them. If you could, please hit that subscribe button and show me some support. I would so appreciate that. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. I so very much appreciate it. Hope everyone has an awesome, awesome weekend. Till next time, bye.